For the best price, click the link in the description. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo Legion R27fc-30, a monitor that's gained quite some attention lately. But here's what surprised me: most of the reviews I've seen have been either overly positive or negative, with little to no actual usage time logged in. Therefore, I decided to put this monitor through its paces and share my honest review with you. Let's start by talking about the design of the Lenovo Legion R27fc-30. On paper, it seems like a beast: 27 inches, 16:9 aspect ratio, 240 Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology. You'd think that this monitor would be able to handle anything thrown at it, but I've seen other monitors with similar specs perform poorly in real-world usage. Therefore, my expectations were tempered going into this review. And let me tell you, the first thing I noticed when setting up the Lenovo Legion R27fc-30 was how straightforward the process was. However, things took a bit of a turn when I started adjusting the monitor's settings. The options for customization are vast, but some users may find them overwhelming. Therefore, it might be worth taking some time to familiarize yourself with all the different features and settings available. Let's talk about one of the key areas where this monitor shines: gaming performance. With a 240 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology, this monitor can handle even the most demanding games with ease. But what really impressed me was the Legion R27fc-30 low input lag. This is essential for competitive gamers who need to react quickly to in-game events. Therefore, if you're a gamer looking for a high-quality display that won't let you down, this might be worth considering. Now let's dive deeper into some of the features that make this monitor stand out from the crowd. When it comes to color accuracy and gamut coverage, the Lenovo Legion R27fc-30 performs admirably. It covers 99% of the sRGB color space, which is more than enough for most users. But if you're a graphic designer or video editor working with complex projects, you may want to consider a monitor that offers even wider color gamut support. However, I did notice some minor issues with color calibration out of the box. Therefore, it's worth taking some time to adjust the settings manually to get the best possible results. The Legion R27fc-30 also features an impressive array of ports and connectivity options. You'll find 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 port, as well as a USB-C port with power delivery support. But what's really noteworthy is the monitor's ergonomic stand, which allows for height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and even pivot. This should give users plenty of flexibility when it comes to setting up their workspace. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new gaming monitor or just looking for an upgrade from your current display, I recommend taking a closer look at the Lenovo Legion R27fc-30. In conclusion, this monitor has its strengths and weaknesses, but overall, it's a solid choice for gamers and content creators alike. If you want to experience top-notch performance with crystal-clear visuals and low input lag, then this might be worth considering. But before making your decision, make sure to check out the prices on Amazon. We've got a link in the description below where you can find it for the best price.